Well, we're getting ready to start the new year 2025, and this has been a very interesting 2024. So, we're going to do this workshop on everybody getting their transit report based on their astrological chart for 2025. And we really would like for you to be there. It's very interactive. I will teach you how to read your transit report, what to see as more important, and those things that are of lesser importance. We're entering a new age, as if you don't know that. And how are you going to approach this? Are you going to approach it through your ego, or are you going to approach it through your spiritual objective awareness and understand, just like Blavatsky used to say, we are entering and going through the Kali Yuga. So join us and we will see you there.